You've probably heard it a million times. Your first $100,000 is the hardest to make. And honestly, they're not wrong, at least when you look at the math. When you're starting from nothing, the growth is so slow it feels like it's happening in slow motion. It's like trying to push a giant boulder uphill. Alone. But the numbers on a screen aren't what really makes you want to quit. The real, soul-crushing struggle is the little voice in your head telling you it's impossible. So this isn't just about the financial grind. It's about winning the mental game so you can finally win your financial future. Section 1, the brutal math. All right, let's just get the numbers out of the way because they explain why this feels so tough at the start. When you first begin saving, you are doing all the work. If you put away $500 a month, almost every single dollar of growth in those first few years comes straight from your own pocket. The magic of compound interest. It's there, but it's so quiet, it might as well be whispering from the next room. This is what some people call the wealth flatline, and it's a killer for motivation. It feels like you're running in place. But here's the secret. The math isn't the real enemy. The real war is fought between your ears. Section 2. Meet your inner demons. Getting to your first 100K is less about spreadsheets and more about psychological warfare. And there are two big opponents you're going to face: fear and self-doubt. Fear is that nagging voice that goes, "But what if the market crashes right after I invest? Or what if I have an emergency and need that cash?" This kind of fear doesn't just make you cautious, it paralyzes you into doing nothing at all. You get so stuck in the paralysis of what if that you never get to what's next. And then there's its evil twin, self-doubt. This one is way more personal. It's the story you tell yourself that you're just not a money person, or that you've missed your chance to start. Maybe you get a pay bump, but instead of investing it, that fear of missing out kicks in. Suddenly, you're looking at a new car or a bigger apartment. Fighting that urge, what they call lifestyle creep, takes serious discipline. If any of this sounds familiar, you're not broken. You're normal. Financial anxiety is the silent battle almost everyone fights. And just knowing that is the first step toward winning. Section 3, your mental battle plan. So how do you actually win this fight? You don't need a complicated strategy. You need a simple battle plan for your mind. First up, win the small battles. Don't obsess over hitting $100,000. Just focus on saving your first $100. Then do it again. The goal here isn't the amount, it's proving to yourself that you can be consistent. Set up automatic transfers, even tiny ones. This builds trust in the last person you want to let down, yourself. Second, put your doubts on a diet. You have to curate your information feed. Unfollow the influencers making you feel broke or behind. Mute the people who say it's all about getting lucky on a risky bet. Instead, fill your feed with voices of reason, discipline, and long-term thinking. You really do become what you consume. And third, and this is the game changer, shift your identity. Don't just do investing, decide that you are an investor. Don't just try to save, decide you are a saver. This isn't just semantics, it's a fundamental shift. When saving money becomes a part of who you are, the decisions become automatic. It's no longer a chore, it's just what you do. When you finally hit that $100,000 milestone, the money is great, but it's not the real prize. The real prize is the person you had to become to do it. You built unshakable discipline. You became resilient. You proved that you could stare down your own fear and self-doubt and win. And that's when the magic happens. Having $100,000 isn't about being rich, it's about freedom. It's the freedom from that constant low-level anxiety about money. It's the profound relief of knowing a surprise bill won't wreck your life. Your money is finally working for you, and the road to the next 100 calories is unbelievably shorter. The journey to your first 100K isn't a financial problem to be solved. It's a rite of passage that turns you into a winner. If you're ready to start that fight, subscribe for more content that goes beyond just the numbers. And let's get real in the comments. What's the biggest fear holding you back right now? Just typing it out is the first step to beating it.